Still showing up with a brave face. Okay, in any case, comment, guys, it's fine. We put ourselves up there for public scrutiny. It's okay, really. I don't take it personal. It's all good. But just know that those screenshots, those receipts, I was not privy to them. They were never shown to me. They were never shown to me. Now, I was shocked way afterwards. Way afterwards. All I had was a confession from my then husband. That's all I had. And I never asked for proof, because if somebody's going to come to you and confess, why funeke still ufune proof? But those screenshots, I was never aware of them. So you guys expected me to react.
Welcome back to SNS Kasan. The only thing that I'm going to say, okay, whatever that was mentioned by the nephew, we now know it was confirmed by Usponono. So what I can say, Kuti, Unelisa don't trust Utemba. And also, what I would say to Usponono, I'm what divorce I'm still saying that hamba yakwamanki and divorce this person so that you can get what is rightfully yours as the wife, because you were a wife. So now your husband no longer wants you. Okay, it's fine. We accept and then we move. Yo, asana guys. Married at first sight, man, no toxic. Yo. And I want to believe also, because Unelisa kule video yakhe uthi my then husband, I want to believe that they're no longer together, which I will be very happy, because I feel for inhliziyo kaNelisa. Uyabona uNelisa uyabonakala she's a bad person or happy okokoko. And at some point I don't blame her to react the way that she did in that situation, because as she is explaining, she didn't know much and there was nothing to react on. I'm looking for love. I want love. I found love. And then you come as a baby mama. Because baby mama, they're always painted as abandaba bitter. And sometimes they're not bitter at all, guys. You just need to listen and hear them out. Yeah, at this point in time, Kwabizandla for Usponono, she is the best thing that ever happened in Mehlweni am at TV. Oh, God. Oh, another Lonely London.